Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're currently back out here in my 2000 Ford Excursion. Alright guys, now last night we went ahead and put on some new 6.4 Power Stroke tow mirrors. As you guys can see, they're a lot bigger, a lot better, and I'm a pretty big fan of them so far. And so the installation process I went ahead and made a video on yesterday. Essentially all you gotta do is pop off this, pop off that, and as well as the little reflector down there. One bolt there, just go ahead and unscrew it, take off your door panel. You're gonna need to take off your door speaker, unplug that, and then you'll be able to go behind here, and there are 4 bolts to take off your old mirrors, and we went through that full process. Same thing, putting them back in there, 4 nuts there to get them put the new ones on, and also we gotta take them off to get the old ones off. So we went through all that yesterday, but just this morning when I was rolling down my window to talk to somebody, I was just went ahead and figured out that if I go ahead, roll down my window here, this is the auto, it stops right here. You see, I gotta stop that so it doesn't keep going, try and run my battery down, or run the motor weak. So yeah, it goes down that far, that far right there. All right, and you can hear it getting hung up on something. Now this side, I don't know if I'll have to fix this side, but hold on, listen closely. I mean, it goes down, but it's kind of like it's hitting wires back there or something. And there was more wire with the adapter I had to use with this that I had to put behind my door speaker, aka in the door panel. So you guys can see it's hitting something, and it's just getting hung up on a wire. Hang on, I want to make sure. Okay, it still works, so nothing came unplugged under there. I'll make sure my door speakers still work on both sides. Yeah guys, I just figured it was a little weird that my windows won't roll down. So if you guys install new door not door speakers, but I mean those two I guess, but I mean new tow mirrors on your truck, and there's a little adapter which leaves you with more wire behind there. I'm going to show you guys just exactly where you need to put them. I don't know, I feel like I put them in the same spot on this side as I did on this side, but this side just barely gets by the wires. It is slow going down, but I mean it goes up and down just fine. But you can hear it kind of going, hitting on something. Hang on, let's just see here. Okay, that didn't come unplugged or anything, so that's good. So that still works. So I'm just going to go ahead and tear into my door frame here just like I did last night. And we're just gonna try to maneuver the wires and see how we can get this window to go down all the way without hitting any wires or anything, any cords, and just getting it working just fine. And also what I'm worried about is my door speakers coming undone, because I have an adapter coming out to 2 speaker wire for my new aftermarket kicker door speakers. So I'm afraid those will just pop off, if I'm rolling down the window or something and a wire just kind of bends over and hits it, pops them off. That's what I'm worried about. So there's a couple different issues I need to fix, which is just getting the window to roll down. So in case you guys have this problem, this video's for you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tear into my door and try to figure out what it is. So I'll catch you guys with that. Alright guys, just went ahead and fixed this one real quick. Very simple fix. Alright, so let me show you guys real fast. I'm just go ahead and put my keys in real quick to show you guys. Now, you can go ahead and, well, hang on. Let me try it now. There we go. So we can go ahead and roll up and down the window, right, all the way now. So it was a super simple fix. I just went and plugged this in. Alright, all it was, now let me show you guys. So as I'm rolling down the window, as you guys can see, the window goes down right there. All right, so all it was let me take out my keys so quick dinging. All right, so all it was, guys, and as you guys can see, that's where the mirror, or not the mirror, the window was hitting it. It's kind of beating it up a little bit right there. Yeah, so I just went ahead and shoved them back through here right there, because this one ended up behind this. So one end of the plug was right here and the other one came under this. So once the windows come down, it was just kind of sliding down onto this. so now that's over there, we can go ahead and roll down the window all the way. Not a problem. It's all the way down. And now that I know this, I can go ahead and put back together this door panel, because I just went ahead and moved this, unplugged it, and plugged in over here and moved it up here. So now we shouldn't have a problem with the window rolling up now. So I'm going to go ahead and reassemble this door panel, put it back together, move on to the other one now that I know that there is one wire probably just, you know, getting the window hung up on it, which isn't good. So we're going to go ahead and fix that next. So I'll catch you guys at that. Alrighty guys, so now go ahead and roll down this window. Not getting hung up on any wires. Rolls back up just fine. This one, wait to hold it. Turns out the motor's just weak. It's not getting hung up on anything. I watched it go up and down like 3 or 4 different times, and all the wires out of the way, especially the new ones I put in yesterday, so I didn't have to take off the door panel for anything. But now I've just discovered that's just the motor this week. I thought it was getting hung up on a wire or something, but that is not the case. Now both of them go all the way down and back up. Pretty simple fix. So all you guys gotta do is tear into your door panel. You know, just gotta look for where the problem is. So if you just installed new tow mirrors and your window won't go down all the way, just go ahead and go back in your door panel same way you took it off, put it back on for your tow mirrors there. And most likely it'll either be just getting hung up on a wire, or there's a wire in the way as it goes down, and it'll go down on the wire, but it won't push it much farther because there's still tension on that wire. So and yeah, thankfully I didn't just leave it like that, because it would have put way more tension and pressure on it. And thankfully I didn't just keep trying, because then it would have went right through the wire, and I wouldn't have the power mirror options anymore for the new tow mirrors just put on yesterday. So yeah, I'm glad we got it all figured out. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't already. And with that one, thanks for watching. And with that, I'll catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.